Okay, so we continue now in this lesson. We are now moving to the next tab. I think we have done a number of things on the home tab, so we are now going to the insert tab. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to look at under the insert tab is how to create a table. Okay, is how to create a table. Now, a table, we know that it is made up of rows and columns. Okay, rows and columns. It helps us to organize our information properly. Okay, so now let's see how we can create a table. So you are going to go on the insert tab. Okay, you are going to go on the insert tab. You click on the insert tab, then you come here in the group of tables. You click on the what? On the drop down there, and then you are going to have this drop down here. So as you can see, you can just select from these rows and columns, okay, depending on the table that you want to make. Okay, you need to know how many columns you need and how many rows you want. Okay, so if you look at this, you are going to have a table which looks like that. Okay, but if your table is supposed to be bigger than this, you can go to where it says insert table. You just click on insert table there, and you are going to see this pop-up coming. So on this one, you can specify the number of columns that you want and the number of rows that you want. Okay, so let's try to make a table that is going to have 10 columns. So here you are going to click on this up arrow. You are going to increase the number of columns. Okay, so you just click on the up arrow if you want to increase the number of columns, and you click on the down arrow if you want to reduce the number of columns. Okay, so I have set the number of columns to 10, and I want to have about 8 rows. Okay, so you do that. So once you have done that, now you can simply come on okay, you click there. Okay, then you are going to have your table like that. So this is how you can create a table. And once you are done, you can now start entering data in your table the way you want it. Okay, so that is what I wanted us that is what I wanted to show you. Okay, thank you very much. Let's meet in the next lesson.